Use of ump_num_threads equals 1 for Python multiprocessing. I heard that using ump_num_threads equals 1 before calling a Python script that use multiprocessing make the script faster. Is it true or not? If yes, why so?
Since you said in a comment that your Python program is calling a C module that uses open. Openmp does multi-threading within a process, and the default number of threads is typically the number that the CPU can actually run simultaneously. This is generally the number of CPU cores, or a multiple of that number if the CPU has an SMT feature such as Intel's hyper-threading. So if you have, for example, a quad-core non-hyper-threaded CPU, openmp will want to run 4 threads by default. When you use Python's multiprocessing module, your program starts multiple Python processes which can run simultaneously. You can control the number of processes, but often you will want it to be the number of CPU cores/threads, for example returned by multiprocessing.cpu_count. So, what happens on that quad-core CPU if you run a multiprocessing program that runs 4 Python processes, and each calls an openmp function runs 4 threads? You end up running 16 threads on 4 cores. That'll work, but not at peak efficiency, since each core will have to spend some time switching between tasks. Setting omp_num_threads equals 1 basically turns off the openmp multi-threading, so each of your Python processes remains single-threaded. Make sure you're starting enough Python processes if you do this, though. If you have 4 CPU cores and you only run 2 single-threaded Python processes, you'll have 2 cores utilized and the other 2 sitting idle. In this case you might want to set omp_num_threads equals 2.
Resolved in comments. omp_num_threads is an option for openmp, a C++/Fortran API for doing multi-threading within a process. It's unclear how that's even related to Python multiprocessing. Is your Python program calling modules written in C that use openmp internally? -wizard.
If you want to see more, please